Hi, I'm Darren Nava from Zambales Realty, and I'm happy to meet you on our channel, where I'm introducing you to the best properties for sale in Zambales. Zambales is known for its natural wonders, but it is also a place where commercial and social activities never stop, be it summer or rainy season. Is that all? Absolutely not, but it's time for now to see our today's offer. So enjoy this beautiful view, and I'll see you on the other side. Welcome to an incredible opportunity nestled in the heart of Batolan, Zambales. Introducing a magnificent piece of land with boundless potential. This captivating farm for sale boasts a generous land area of 8,000 square meters, complete with a valid land title, ensuring your ownership and peace of mind. Picture yourself surrounded by the lush beauty of nature as you explore this expansive property that holds a world of possibilities. Situated conveniently along a well-paved road, this land is perfectly suited for both residential and commercial ventures. Location is everything, and this property truly delivers. Just a short 5-minute drive away, you'll find yourself basking in the golden sands of the beach, embracing the calming rhythm of the waves. And when you're in the mood for a little more action, the bustling downtown area is also within a 5-minute reach. Imagine building your dream home in a serene environment where the chirping of birds wakes you up and fresh, crisp air rejuvenates your soul. Alternatively, turn your vision into reality by creating a thriving commercial establishment that caters both to local and tourists drawn to the charm of Botolan. This property is more than just a land. It's an opportunity to redefine your lifestyle. With its prime location, ample space, and the potential for a variety of ventures, this farm for sale in Botolan, Zambales is the canvas upon which you can paint your aspirations. Seize the chance to invest in a slice of paradise that combines convenience, nature, and limitless possibilities. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Contact us today to learn more about this extraordinary property and how it can be yours. Botolan, Zambales awaits your imprint. Make your mark on this land of promise. Reach out to us now to discover how you can turn this farm into your ultimate reality. Don't miss out on this chance of a lifetime. And when buying a property, make sure it's Zambales Realty for you to safely and securely purchase properties of your dreams. Like us on Facebook because we have lots of properties like this on our page. Please also subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss properties like this. You may also get in touch with us via our email and book your property viewing and flipping through our contact number posted. Zambales Realty also offers engineering services such as relocation, subdivision, segregation, topographic original survey, hydrographic survey, construction survey, parcelary survey, cadastral survey project, and many more. We also offer documents processing such as titling services for transfer and original certificate of title. We also have legal services for legal documentation for comprehensive research of property and status and other due diligence. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss an offer like this, because we're always on the lookout for best property deals to share with you. Stay safe! And if you like this video, be sure to hit subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and on our YouTube channel so you'll never miss properties like this. This is Darren Shanava, your host, signing off. Ciao! Are you selling your property? Get it featured on our channel. Send us videos of your property at darrenshanava@gmail.com. Let's get it sold. We make buyer and sellers meet. Don't forget to subscribe for more properties.